let's do this drawing in AutoCAD 2D. Now if this drawing is very easy. See, we have one arc here, so you do the inner one first, the one arc here or circle here, and then there's an arc here too, two arcs. Okay, so let's draw this inner side, then later we draw the outer one. All right, so this arc is having a radius of 18, okay, and the distance from the top to down is 70. So let's open our AutoCAD and then select the circle command, draw a circle of 18 radius. Let's zoom out. Good. Now for the distance, I'll just use a line to help us. 70. Okay, now this is done, so let's come here. See, the distance between the two centers is 88. So to do that, I'll just draw a line of distance 88, and then I'm going to move this line. Just select your move, select the center and put it here so that it can give us the equal dimension. Okay, now this one is having a radius of 9. Okay, the smaller one here, radius of 9, here to 9, and then 31 for both of them. So let's draw circle of radius 9, and then a circle again of radius 31. Good. Now I'm going to copy these two circles. You copy from here to this side. All right, now you can see there is a line tangent to the inner side, so let's do that. Let's select line, press and hold shift key, right click, select tangent, click here, the same thing, select tangent. Now let's mirror this line, select it, go to mirror, and then select your mirror axis, you click. Now go to no. Okay, now we are done. So you see there's an arc also here, this arc having a radius of 92. So let's draw that. So with that one, you take a tan radius, then you select the outer circles, the radius of 92, so you enter. See, to be there. Now let's trim. TR for trim, and then it's off. Let's trim this side as well. All right, now we have to draw the same arc here, down here. The distance was not given to us, but it is known. How is it known? The distance from this to this side, you can measure. You can take your linear and measure. See, the quadrant, the distance from this quadrant to this quadrant is 22. Is that right? So we are going to offset this arc 22 downwards. Okay, so go to offset and then specify offset distance. So you enter 22 and you press enter. Now you select this arc, okay, and bring it down, and you see we have it over here. Good. Now let's offset. Now this one to offset it here. You see it's a straight line, so the same, this line is parallel to this. There's a line here, this is parallel to this, so we offset this one 22 as well. So but before we do that, let's draw these circles. There are some arcs here, so radius 20, also the distance is 80. So I'll draw a line again to help us. 80, can draw it anywhere, later you move it. Now I'll move the line, locate the center and fix it here. Good. Now I'll draw a line with radius of 20, so 20. I'll copy it from here to here. Okay, good. Now let's offset this line here, 22. So select offset, enter your 22 dimension. See, is there. Good. Can do the same thing here. All right, now we are having too many lines. Don't worry, we'll trim. Now you can see there's an arc here with radius 18 tangent to this one, so we are going to use the fillet command. You can use the fillet or the tan radius, but we use the fillet command. So you select fillet, then click radius, then you enter 18. So you select this circle and you select this line, same thing, radius 18. You select this and this. Is that right? Then you have it. Okay, let's trim the unwanted lines and continue. We have too many lines. Let's trim them all. Okay, so I'll delete this line, I don't need it, and this line again. All right, so before we continue, let's draw, see this big arc 47. So circle radius of 47. All right, so we can now trim this side, this side. Let's delete this line and let's trim the unwanted areas. Okay, see, we don't need this one, but it starts. All right, let's trim. Good. So now this is what is expected of us, and we've neatly drawn as required of us. Now you can see the work is done. So I will increase the line width of the drawing, and then I'll give it the dimension. Okay, so for the dimension, I would like to create a different layer for the dimension. So you go to layer properties, you select new, you give it a name, and then you change the color. You can change the color if you want. Okay, let me pick this, and then I'll change the line width as well. Let's use 0.2 mm. Okay, then we close it. Now let's take radius. Oh, sorry, let's make the layer active and select radius and give it our dimensions. Select radius again for this side. They are very small, I'll increase it, don't worry. Then select radius again for this one, then here as well. Dimension the necessary. Bring it here. Okay, yeah, and then continue with this one. Okay, now yeah, remaining this one. All right, okay, so let's go to the linear aspect. So from here to this side 70, and then from the center to this center 88, and then the top from this side to this side is also 80. All right, so I can make it a little bit bigger by going to manage dimension style, select modify, go to symbols and arrow. You can make it like 4 or 5. Text also can make it like 5. Okay, and close. You see your dimension becomes very clear. Now don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channels for more videos and tutorials like this in AutoCAD. Please subscribe, and if you have any question, leave it in the comment section below and then I'll attend to it. Thank you all for watching, and see you in my next tutorial.